Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable call emergency services quietly on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to the emergency SOS. So once you're here, you have those two options, what they do, and how to turn them on, how to use them. We have another videos on our channel about those two settings. So to those options, you have the option to call quietly. So after turning this on, either if you are going to hold and release or 5-button presses to make an emergency call, alarms are not going to be played and the flashes and voiceover audio will be silenced. So if you are going to toggle it, you are not going to get an alarm of your iPhone. So now this feature is on, now it is off. You just need to tap the button on, off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!